Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the environment, run kubectl version short and note control plane versus node versions. Backup ect and critical manifests, then verify your backup can be restored. Once done, read the release notes to catch deprecations and removed APIs so you avoid surprises. Make sure to confirm kubeatom, kubellet, and kubectl compatibility. Mismatched binaries cause failures. Finally, choose a maintenance window and communicate it to stakeholders so nodes can be drained. You upgrade the control plane first because it runs cluster leadership and API. Use kubeatom upgrade, apply version, and watch for API readiness. Once the control plane is stable, drain a worker node and upgrade kubeatom, kubellet, and kubectl packages to the matching version, then run kubeatom upgrade node on it. After restarting kubellet, join the node back and uncoordinate. Make sure to inspect system pods, CRD, and custom controllers during this middle phase, so scheduling and operators keep working. You finish by ensuring every node reports the new version and a ready status. Kubectl get nodes is your quick check. Run smoke and integration tests, validate ingress, storage, and controller behavior, and monitor resource metrics for anomalies. If something goes wrong, follow your rollback plan. Restore ect from the verified backup or roll back application releases. Make sure to gather kubellet, kubeapa server, and controller manager logs to diagnose root causes. These logs guide fixes and prevent repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.